The other one. Hi, Alex. It's tummy time. Hi. Come on. You're not moving. Hi. Ooh. Hey, tummy time. Come on, get your chubby self up. Say hi. Say hi.
Oh, my pillow fell.
It's okay. Say hi, Alex. Get up.
Get up, Alex. Get up.
Do a push-up.
Push up like this.
Mm-hmm.
Can he copy me? Oh, he's doing what I'm doing.
Mm-hmm. Hey, you're blocking my son. Say hi, Alex.
Your son?
The sun.
The
The light. Say hello.
He loves to talk.
Yeah. All right. You're just going to lay there and suck on your thumb.
Suck on his thumb.
See, we'll see you in a bit. Wow, good job. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.